welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's been so long. But yeah, today in this video, I am going to talk about some new launches from Mars. So mostly this is going to be a Mars haul, but I do have few ones that I wanted to include in this video as well. So let's start with the video. I feel like I am going to talk about why Mars is raising up their prices. If you haven't noticed, they are doing it in a very subtle way, but they are raising their prices, guys. Let me tell you why I'm saying this. So this, as you can see, this is the Mars God's Glow Illuminator. Before, they had a God's Glow primer, which was a very nice sparkly sort of oil based primer that you can use it underneath your skin. It was very sparkly. It has a lot of illuminating particles, and I feel like this is just the same. It's a new launch by Mars. A lot of people are not talking about this because it's expensive. I feel like it's $8.99, which is $900 for a primer. This is like elf primer, and this primer is exactly like Charlotte Tilbury and elf, you know, that illuminating face primer that everybody talks about and everybody loves. Yeah, it's similar to that. But why is the price so high? And even their Artistry foundation, it's so high. The price, it's $8.99, $900 for a foundation. What is it, K-beauty? Why is Mars going this route? I don't know. I don't understand. And if they are going to continue raising their prices for few of their makeup, which maybe they are like, oh my god, this is like high-end luxe, you know, they work like luxe, but Mars products already works like high-end. Like, it's not something that's cheap. Even the packaging of Mars products, it's not cheap. Like, it feels good, you know, it looks good, it looks classy. So why are they raising their prices now? Anyway, let's talk about the primer. So this is the Mars God's Glow Illuminator. Do I like it? Yes, it works exactly like the elf Halo Glow primer. This has a lot of shades as well, which is nice. It's very subtle. But is it the best one that I have used? No. I do have to say that the Insight primer, the Insight Radiance filter works exactly the same way, and it retails under 300. So why would I go for Mars when, you know, we can get Insight, because both of them are affordable brands. So yeah, Mars raising up their prices for something that is kind of quite basic. I would say it's not something that's like, oh my god, you need to have this. No other brand has come up with a product like this. It's not something like that. We used to love Mars because of the affordability, but this one I feel like is a very good product. If it was priced for $3.99, 350 rupees, I would say, wow, it's a very good product for the price. But the price that they kept is like elf Halo Glow. So why would you not get the elf Halo Glow instead of getting the Mars one? I would say the Mars one in comparison to the elf is a little bit more subtle. Elf is a bit bam in your face, you know. Mars is a bit more subtle, exactly like the Insight one, I feel like. So the next product I have here from Mars is the Artistry foundation. Now they launched two new foundation, which is the Artistry foundation and the Zero Blend foundation. And I have been using the Zero Blend foundation, and let me tell you, the Zero Blend foundation is my new favorite. I am in the shade 06 in the Zero Blend foundation, and 06 is a very nice neutral tone foundation for me, and it works really nice way. Like, it works very nicely is what I mean to say. And in the Artistry foundation, for some reason, 06 is way too light. I'm in the shade 08. Now 08 is a little bit more yellow tone than I would like. I prefer a bit more of a kind of neutral undertone, kind of olive undertone, but 08 is definitely warm. And then I have 10 as well, Toasted Almond, which is again a bit more, you know, yellow tone. But both of these shades, they don't have any dark variants. For example, 08 and 010, like 10 is exactly same. Like, it almost looks same when I swatched it. So I don't understand why there is no shade difference in both of them. I really don't get it. But anyway, I have used 08 today, and I do really like the finish. I do have to say, it's a very nice, gives that soft filter like effect, which is what I love. I love that in a foundation. It definitely gives a very nice soft matte finish. It's not like the other Mars foundation. This is not dewy. This gives a very nice soft matte effect. It's not like super high coverage as well. I feel like it is a very good foundation though. Even though the price is a bit expensive, I do like it. I do have to say, for winters, this might be a little bit on the drying side for my dry skin, or I have to use a very hydrating primer. the Mars primer that I use today is not hydrating. It just gives a very nice glow to the skin, but in no way that is hydrating. So next time I'm going to try this product with a hydrating primer, and maybe I like this more because I do like the finish. I do like how it's sitting on my skin, but I know over time in this winter weather, this is going to get a little bit more matte on me and I might not like it. So yeah, so far so good. I love it. So far it's really looking very flawless on my skin. So for today's look, I actually used the Mars Blooming eyeshadow, and you can see it's one of my favorite eyeshadows, to be very honest. I have been using this every time I step out of the door. It's super easy to use. Again, such a nice staple to have in my collection. Anyway, the last time I did a video with these falsies, you guys were asking me for links, and I am definitely going to provide you guys the links. And these are the falsies that I genuinely love. This is not from Mars, this is from Amazon, and I really wanted to take a moment to talk about this because oh my god, these are so good, guys. It retails for 500 rupees and you get like 10 pairs of these falsies, but every time I wear this, I don't even feel like I'm wearing lashes, and it almost looks like your natural lashes because it doesn't have the front part, like it has that nice wispy ends. So there is no issue of your front, part just sticking out of your lash. So it looks very natural and it kind of blends in with your natural lashes so nicely, which is what I love. I use the Pack Lash Glue, which is one of my favorite lash glue, and it is really good. It kind of lasts you the entire day. But these lashes, every time I wear these, people ask me if I'm wearing lashes or not, or if it's like a lash extension that I got, and I don't want to get lash extension any moment soon, so I really do love it. So the next product that I have to talk about that I absolutely love is this Mars Lip and Cheek Tint, and these are good, guys. These are so good. These retail, I think so, less than 300. I feel like, yeah, maybe less than 300. Oh my god, thank god I got these because the quality, again, the quality of Mars products, I'm never disappointed. Although I do have to say that they are not like super dewy. I have the shade 04 here, which is the red shade, and this red shade is the best red shade to wear during winter time. Today my tones are very neutral, so I went in for the brown one, for the nude one. But this red, oh my god, I used it in one of my videos for Instagram reels, and my cheeks look so nice, so flushed, and this works actually so well for dusky Indian skin tones. It's not something that's sheer, okay? It is pigmented, so you have to blend this blushes very quickly because they don't have a lot of dewiness to them. They are very soft matte blushes, so once it settles down, it kind of gives you a very nice natural soft matte finish. It is not super dewy, it's not super matte, it's somewhere right in between, which is what I love. And you can even build this blushes, so you can just build it up and it always looks good. You can use this on your lips as well. These are very long lasting, and I think for the price this time, Mars, you just nailed it because these ones are so good. And I love the packaging also, very basic, very nice. I don't need luxe packaging because honestly these are very cute, and you can just see the shade name from the back and you can just use it, apply it that way. Very convenient to use, very easy to use. If you are looking for nice kind of dewy sort of in between blush, I feel like you might want to check this one out. So the next product I have here is from e.l.f. and this is the Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. Now this setting spray, when I got it, I did not think I would like it so much, especially during this winter season. I need this setting spray. I need this. This is not like a want anymore. I always get makeup products because it's like a want, I want that, I want this, I want this lip color, I want this one, I want that foundation. This is not a want. This is a need. This is a need because my dry skin would just crack up whenever I use foundation, and this is the one that kind of just melts everything in and just sets everything in place. Yes, I know it's a bit on the expensive side, but if you have dry skin, if you want your makeup to last longer, if you want something that looks good on your skin, that's not too much. Like I don't want too much of a dewy effect, just something that to give me that hydration, to lock in everything. This is the setting spray to go for. And whenever I'm applying this on camera and even in real life, you cannot even see the spray coming out because it's so fine. Like it is so fine, guys. Even I'll spray this the entire bottle, still then it does not ruin your makeup. A lot of the times when you apply a lot of setting spray, sometimes instead of fixing your makeup, it might ruin it because of the spritz in here. This mist is so fine. It's almost, you can't see on camera. Like, it's so fine and it's so good. I absolutely love it. It's 100% worth the buy. So the last product I have here from Mars is the Setter and Blotter Gel Compact. Now this one, I have seen a lot of Asian makeup brands come up with products like this, which is like a gel compact, but it has this silicone, this thing to it where you put this on your skin and it kind of mattifies your skin instantly. And I would say that this product exactly does that. It mattifies your skin in such a beautiful way. It almost blurs out your pores. And after doing your makeup, if your makeup you feel like, okay, it's a bit too dewy, you can just use this, set it out, and it's not super matte. Like, it's not drying out your skin sort of matte, you know, which is what I love about this. The only thing I would say is that as a dry skin, I feel like I don't need this right now. In this weather, this is not something that I need at this point. But of course, for winters and, you know, most of the seasons in India, I would need this. This is a very, very nice product to have in your collection. If you have oily skin, just go for this. Just like close your eyes and do the checkout, because this is amazing for you guys. For my dry skin, I'm skipping this during winters, but best believe I'm going to keep this in my routine in the summertime, especially in the spring as well. I like, you know, to have that soft matte finish. And humidity, once this season goes away, the winter, humidity just comes on. So yeah, I really am happy with this product as well. Overall, I do have to say, I really like how my makeup turned out. I love everything about all the products. I think they are so good. But just the price point is what I'm like, what is Mars doing right now? Why are they pricing their products in the 900 price thing? Because as I've seen their products, most of them are under 350 rupees, and to directly jump from 350 to, you know, 900, that's a lot. That's a lot. Even if they kept their foundation like 600, 700 range, that was also okay. But 900, guys, what do you guys think? Let me know about it in the comments down below. Do you think Mars is going to slowly raise their prices? Or the second, do you think that they are going to have luxe sort of options for different makeup in another section? So let me know what you guys think, and I would love to know your opinions about this as well in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.